Right. Hello and welcome back to another Pod Classic. We're inside Big WIlly today because we've got a couple of bits to do. Battery clamp, which we'll show you under the bonnet in a minute, but we've also got, I don't chuck all the receipts on the floor, this J-OBD reader. There you go. It says J-OBD on it. Hopefully you can see that. So we can see why the engine light is on. So, here you go, the light. Yeah, the light does work. So I'm just going to try and plug him in. I'll put the ignition on so I can see why he's coming on. There it is. It's got to be that way around. Oh, it's on. There you go. How much that you can see, I don't know. And it's got power, which is good. So turn the fan off. Main setup. Enter. Diagnostic codes. Don't know how much of this you can actually see. Let's bring you in. There you go. So Toyota. Read codes. Revolution sensor circuit malfunction. Good. I don't know what that means. But I've got that on record now. So let's turn key on with engine off. Yep. Erased. Good. Well, that's, there you go, just so you know. Got a Japanese car. It's pre-2008, I think it is. All of those there. But no, that looks good. Hopefully, that means that engine light will go out when we run him on again. So, yeah, let's see how we get on. But now I'll pop open the bonnet and have a look underneath there. So I'll check it in a second, guys. Right, so battery clamp is the next thing we've got. So that's the actual clamp bit there, and that's the brackety bit. So I'm going to go get some scissors to cut off the poorly put on cable ties. I'll leave you, I can probably still talk while you're there, which is weird because I'm not used to that. But yeah, my cable tie solution was not good enough to get it through the MOT. But, you know, luckily it wasn't the only thing it failed on, otherwise that would have been really, really annoying. But it wasn't, so it's not the end of the world, and it's been should be a relatively quick and easy fix. Obviously a little bit of money needed, but okay, so let's just, there we go, battery's up. Just take the tray out. There's your battery tray. That's one. And that's two lot of cable ties out of the way. So if I have a look, hopefully, I should be able to spot where the what do you call it, bracket will go. I think that's the hole. I'll show you in a second. Yeah, looks like it should be. So that's bracket, bracket, bracket. There you go. So if I bring it in here, it looks as though that there is the hole it probably needs to go into. But let's get you back there. So will it? So let's just double check. So the battery clamp goes Not that way, so it is. It's got to be that way. And oh, that's annoying. That's wrong. There's something wrong here. That battery's too tall. Oh, that's annoying. I checked the part number as well. They said it was the same. Right. This is turning into something much more annoying than it should have been. I mean, I can't even. Let's just try and get that off for once. When I say that, I'm talking to myself, but you can't even see what's going on there. Oh, well, that's bending that. Pliers. Or mole grips of some sort. This is really annoying, because I say I did check the part number and it said it was the same. This is too short. I'm doing this all off camera so you can't see what's going on, but we'll probably hear. Right, there we go. Jesus, that's tight. Oh, bugger, it snapped. Let's, well, that's going to have to be a complaint to eBay. And then I'm going to have to find something else that will hopefully do the job. Because, yeah, that's snapped in there. Okay, so battery is not secure. That's something that's going to be complaint to eBay. I guess that's Big WIlly done for now. Can't really do anything else. I might have to see if a universal one will fit. Bum holes and broomsticks, people. Bum holes and broomsticks. Oh well. So that's failed for today. Battery's not been clamped. But the J-OBD does work. So something at least. I think that's it for today. So I'll say thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Watch for more trials and tribulations on Big WIlly. Hopefully he'll be MOT'd soon. And yeah, see you next time. Cheers.